welcome to Home Cooking with Soham. Today we are going to make a chocolate walnut marble cake. As you all know, a chocolate doesn't need an introduction, but this is one of my most favorite chocolate cakes ever. Let's begin with the recipe, how to make the delicious chocolate cake. The ingredients to make the marble cake: we have all-purpose flour, sour cream, baking soda, 4 eggs, some unsalted butter, baking powder, sugar and chocolate. And for the ganache we are using double cream, chopped walnuts and a 56% cocoa chocolate, dark cooking chocolate. We'll take the butter, sugar, then we use the blender. So baking powder, baking soda and a pinch of salt. So now the cake has been baked for maximum 1 hour in 165 degrees. As you can see, when the cake gets cooked, it leaves on the side as well. That's again a good sign. Here is our cake divided into half now. So this is ganache which we made earlier. Taken a double cream, just boil it, just a little bit boil, and then you add into your chocolate and just leave it to rest for at least 15 minutes. Let the cream do its work by melting the chocolate slowly. And when it's almost melted, either you take a whisk or like a spatula and just mix it up till you get a nice glossy finish like that. And now what we're going to do is, afterwards we have layered the cake. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon just to cover the cake with a little bit of moist just in the middle. Just making sure it goes to all sides. And then we have the chopped walnuts. Just evenly spread the walnuts towards the whole cake. This is the most exciting part. Let's cut the cake and have a taste. So there we are. As you can see, the nuts and the ganache in the middle and plus ganache outside. Soft, very fluffy and delicious. I love this cake. So please do try this recipe and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.